What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon Bennett. Guys, we're going to jump right in and just continue in our series, How to Make Money on the Internet with Email Marketing using Automated Marketing Systems and Sales Funnels. We're going to kind of recap everything we talked about up to this point, which was, I talked to you guys in the very beginning of the series, and I continue to mention throughout the fact that once you set up your own email marketing campaigns, your automated marketing systems and sales funnels, they can go out and work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days of the year. As you guys know, I'm big into video marketing, so I like to create what I call video capture pages. And in this particular example, this illustration I'm going to use to recap what we've talked about so far, I'm using an actual video capture page just to kind of get my potential prospects kind of curious about who I am and what it is I do, right? So that's what's happening right here with the video capture page. Now, I'm also asking for my potential prospects' name and email address down here, as you can see, guys, and you're going to see the entire process, right? Now, I have to mention the fact, guys, because I said we're working toward the 7-hour work week, right? I set this particular email marketing campaign up in about 35 minutes. And remember, guys, I've talked to you guys and I mentioned the fact that once these are set up, they're set up. You don't have to do anything else but drive traffic into your automated marketing systems and your sales funnels. It took me all of 35, maybe 40 minutes to set it up. And that's after writing 7 or 8 emails. Even if I had started from scratch, I could have embedded the video and done all of this in about 25 minutes. Thus, that's the beauty of being able to do this kind of thing, because once you do it and you have it all set up, it's ready to rock and roll. Now, at the end of this process, guys, I'm going to have about 3 email marketing campaigns, 3 automated marketing systems and sales funnels. You guys are going to see them. This is one of them. I'm going to build out 2 more. I've been doing it as we've been doing this series. You guys just don't necessarily maybe realize what it is I'm doing, but it'll all be interconnected. So just to understand this, guys, everything that we talked about in terms of the actually anatomy of email marketing is actually rolled in to this particular system, right? Okay, I have my capture page here where I'm going to collect the names and email addresses of my potential prospects. This particular capture page is going to redirect to an actual bridge page where I'm going to talk a little bit more about myself. I'm going to kind of get my target audience familiar with me, and then of course there'll be a call to action where they'll be able to move forward, right? Watch the actual official presentation of the product and or service or business opportunity I'm talking about. I'm just using that because it can be any of all or all the above. And at that point, guys, remember, SW, SW, SWN, some will, some won't, so what next? The fact of the matter is, once I have this all set up, once you have these all set up, and it can take you all of 15, 20 minutes, I can do it in 10. I've done it in 5 with my best record, with it all built out, and it's ready to go. It work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days of the year. Already, I'm going to put my name up here real quick, guys. That's not even my name. I'm just putting that. I got my email address. I'm going to actually enter the code. And I think I got it right. I don't have my glasses on. I'm going to ask for instant access. Of course, it's going to redirect to my actual bridge page, right? Again, where I introduce myself, kind of getting my potential prospects kind of used to my face, guys, because if I follow up with them the right way, they're going to be seeing and hearing from me. I'm congruent up here with my caption because I'm still talking about the same thing I was talking about in my capture page. Again, guys, I talk a little bit more about what it is I do. I talk about, if I can get up here a little bit, I talk about the actual anatomy of email marketing systems and sales funnels, since that's what I'm talking about in the video. And so I give people a little bit more information about how marketing systems and sales funnels work. Of course, when they're ready, if they're ready, they will click here to continue, guys. Well, they will redirect it to the actual VSL or the video sales letter that does everything for me. Remember, this is all set up. Once it's all set up, my main responsibility at this point, guys, is to drive traffic into the funnel. Thus, we talk about the 7-hour work week. Once I have the 3 capture pages and the 3 marketing systems that I'm going to build right in front of you guys' eyes, you're going to watch me there's going to be a point in time when I'm going to start driving traffic into them, guys. And I promise you, when this is all said and done, and if you guys can learn this kind of thing, you can set up your own email marketing campaigns. Now, I said there are things going on in the background, guys, so just jump over here and let's talk a little bit more about what's going on in the background since my particular prospects entered their name and email address into my capture page. That particular capture page is integrated with a list that I built inside of GetResponse. You're looking at that list right now. What that list consists of is 7 or 8 follow-up emails. Why? Because my potential prospects entered their name and their email address in my capture page because they were interested in what it was I was talking about. It just makes sense, guys, to continue to follow up with those prospects in a series of emails so I can re-engage, right, with them about my particular product, service, business opportunity, etc., etc. Okay? So you can see I have 6 or 7, I believe it's 7 altogether, emails scheduled. And I remember mentioning to you guys that you could actually send these emails out at any time of the day or night that you want to. You could either do this by broadcasting your list one time, anytime you want, or you can write a series of emails. In this instance, I've written a series of emails and I got them scheduled to go out at 9 o'clock every single day at the same time, right? 9 o'clock every single day, 9 o'clock a.m. for the next 7 days. Remember my golden rule, guys. SW, SW, SWN. Some will, some won't, so what, next, right? But the process in and of itself, guys, is automated, okay? 30 minutes to do the campaign. Let's back out of this. Oh, sorry, I'm going to the wrong place. Let's back out of this actual funnel. I'm going to back out of it. There's the VSL, the video sales letter. Here's my bridge page where I talked a little bit more about myself. And of course, there is the video capture page that I put together. I can build these types of systems and funnels at the snap of a finger. When I'm rushing, right, I can do it. Well, should I say when I'm taking my time, I can do it in 10 minutes. Okay, when I'm rushing, I can do it in 5. Now, guys, if you just found me for the very first time and you don't know exactly what it is, we're talking about making money on the internet, making money from home with your very own email marketing business. And we're talking about using automated marketing systems and sales funnels to do it. I'm going to leave the link for my playlist. If you guys just found me for the very first time, you can go back and you can get yourself up to speed in terms of with me talking about the actual fundamentals, laying that foundation for an email marketing business. You can do this very simple and easy, guys. The tools are not that expensive. I think I even mentioned the GetResponse autoresponder you can get for $15 a month. And the first 30 days are free. That's going to allow you to create your own capture pages, bridge pages, do whatever you want to do. And of course, I told you guys don't worry about the products and services so much right now because as I'm going through the series, you're going to see various products and our services, right? It's not going to break the bank that you guys can actually tie into to set your email marketing business off, right? To set it up. What I want the takeaway to be from this video is the fact that when you start doing this, you're going to be able to set these types of marketing systems and funnels up in record-breaking time. But these videos and this series actually serves a dual purpose because on the one hand, I want you to teach you and so you understand the actual fundamentals and the anatomy of a marketing system and email marketing and automated sales systems. But at the same time, for you guys who don't want to actually get in the trenches and kind of build these things out all together, then I'm going to introduce you guys to some done for you pretty much email marketing systems and sales funnels that you can use in your email marketing that does all of these things for you, if that makes sense. We talk about your capture page creation, already done. Your follow-up emails, already available. So now we're talking about copying and pasting a little bit of this, a little bit of that, right? And when I tell you guys, you could be set up within mere minutes. Well, I'm going to say 30 minutes tops with anything that I'm talking about. And you can have everything that I'm talking about right now. All the potential components of the process that I'm walking you guys through. You guys can have instant access to it at any given time. So again, guys, remember, we're rushing, right? We're running. I'm moving at the speed of light toward the 7-hour work week. And when this is all said and done, hey, these systems that I'm setting up. It's taking me 15, 20 minutes to set them up, okay? It won't take me that long to run traffic to them. Again, this is how I'm going to get to the 7-hour work week, right? Now, guys, I'm never going to stop doing videos, right? Because I love doing them. But let me put a lot of special emphasis on, let me put the emphasis on this. I thought that you had to do videos, right? When I first got started on the internet. It's a great way to brand yourself, guys. It's a great way to go out online and develop rapport. YouTube is a great vehicle to do that, right? But I thought it was essential, right? People were like, create content, create content, create content. Look, guys, you don't have to create the kind of content that I do. Like, I'm talking about these videos. You don't have to do that, right? When I talk about done for you sales systems and automated marketing and sales systems and cell phones, I'm talking about other people, to include myself, just doing all the explaining for you in the videos. You simply run traffic to the capture page, collect the lead, allow your automated marketing system, the follow-up emails to go out and close your sales for you. That's why I talk about it being 80%, 95% of the work being done for you. But again, for those of you guys who are really more hands-on, you guys know, you hear me talking all the time about, you know, that creative side of myself. Well, of course, guys, I'm going to go in and going to do my own thing. So stay plugged into the series, because this is just one of the 3 funnels that I'm building out right before you guys, right here on YouTube. And when it's all said and done, guys, we're going to cover some other cool information between the time I actually run the traffic into the actual systems and funnels. And then you guys can see how feasible it is to get to the 7-hour work week, right? Because if I took out all the videos that I was doing, guys, and I just concentrated on building these little simple capture pages and redirecting them to a bridge page or to my VSLs, right? The whole process still wouldn't take 7 hours a week. I say 7 hours a week. That's on the long end, okay? So you guys have seen this. You've seen it. We're going to see if we can go back through it one more time. Of course, there's the capture page. We're looking again at the bridge page. And of course, guys, we're redirecting from the bridge page, should I say, to the actual VSL that closes all my sales with me. Behind the scenes, I've written up several, let's get back to email marketing here if I can, several autoresponder email messages that's going to hit out here, that's going to automatically in the background take over and start to correspond with my particular prospects. There's some pretty cool emails here too, guys. If you guys want to get on this list and see exactly what it is and what I've done here, feel free to do it, because I've put some images in. I've used some real cool marketing and sales psychology inside of the emails. So it's very interesting to see. In fact, I implore you guys, right, to get inside the actual system. Let me see, can I get back to the page? Let's get inside the actual system just so you can give yourself, right, an unfair advantage just in terms of exactly what it is you can go out and start doing right now, but you can actually walk yourself through the entire process. So I'm going to leave the link for this particular capture page in the YouTube video description area. You can actually step into the funnel and see it actually working in real time. I'm going to leave the link for the actual playlist for anybody who's just finding me, you know, and you just finding me on these videos right now today. And I think it's going to get you super pumped and super excited, okay? And at any given time, guys, remember, you can tap into all or any of the systems that I'm talking about that will virtually basically have most of these things done for you. That's the beauty of email marketing. That's the beauty of the email or the automated marketing systems that I haven't really introduced you guys to quite yet. They're systems, but you're going to see a lot more than that. And that's the beauty of all automated marketing systems, the sales funnel, email marketing, and automation, period. Okay? Okay? It's the 7-hour work week. That's what we're talking about. Let's go get it together, guys. Okay? Anyway, this is your boy, Marlon Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.